Doing the Artas Site Making on the patient right now. You can just zoom it out there. Yeah. And this is the user interface for the Artas Site Making. Alright, today I'm going to give you an insight into what the interface looks like and what do we monitor out here. I'm going to show you how the user interface looks like on an Artas Site Making. We are doing the Artas Robotic Hair Restoration and we are doing the site making procedure. If you can have a look, these are the new sites which are being made, the pink dots which you see out there. While doing that, it's making sure that all your existing hair are prevented from getting damaged. Alright? The depth of each site, the density, angle, direction, everything is pre-measured. These are the new sites which are being created. If you can see the angles, these are constantly keeping on changing based on your existing hair angle. So if you see out here it's 45 degrees, it's now 54. Okay? And also if you see, these are 3 cameras which are giving me the live images of the depth at which it is going. So that's how precise and accurate this thing is.